Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Chapter 7 Human Settlements. Our today's point is urbanization in India. What is meant by urbanization? Urbanization refers to the increasing number of people that live in urban areas. Urbanization can describe a specific condition at a set of time. For example, the proportion of total population or area in cities or towns, or the term can describe the increase of this proportion over time. Urbanization in India. The level of urbanization is measured in terms of percentage of urban population to total population in a particular region. It means the unit to measure population is percentage. Here is given one activity. Can you tell? Trend of urbanization in India. Look at the figure 7.5. India trend of urbanization very carefully. Here is given the percentage of urbanization from 1961 to 2011. As per the graph, the percentage of urbanization in 1961 was 18.0%. In 1971, it was 18.2%. In 1981, it was 23.3%. In 1991, it was 25.7%. In 2001, the percentage was 27.8%. And in 2011, the percentage of urbanization is increased up to 31.2%. As we see the graph of percentage of urbanization, we realized that from 1961 to 2011, the percentage of urbanization is increasing continuously. Now read the graph in figure 7.5 below and answer the following questions. Question number 1. What was the percentage of urbanization in 1961? Answer is the percentage of urbanization was 18% in 1961. Question number 2. In which decade was urbanization the highest? Answer. Urbanization was the highest in the decade 2001 to 2011. Question number 3. In which decade was the growth of urbanization lowest? Answer. The growth of urbanization was lowest in the decade 1961 to 1971. And last question is, what inference can you draw regarding India's urbanization after reading the graph? Answer is, after reading the graph, we can draw an inference that urbanization in India is continuously rising. Let's discuss geographical explanation in detail. It is clear from the above graph that the growth of urbanization in India has been slow. Compared to developed countries, the level of urbanization in India is low. In 2011, the percentage of urbanization was only 31.2 to 16%. This percentage is very low compared with other developed countries. At the same time, the urban population is increasing. Expansion of the urban centers and emergence of new towns have played a significant role in the growth of urban population and urbanization in the country. After Green Revolution, the rate of urbanization is increased rapidly. Due to modernization and scientific progress, urban centers are expanded. Many small towns are emerged in big cities. And that emergence of towns played a very important role in the growth of urban population as well as urbanization in the country. In India, the progress in agriculture, trade, commerce, industries, education is increasing day by day. Due to these developments, many modern cities are emerging in country. Many employment opportunities are generated in these cities. People from various regions are settling down in these cities. As its effect, urbanization is increasing rapidly in India. In India, urban population is seen to be comparatively more in the states located in the central and southern part of India. Urban population is seen comparatively low in the states located in the northern and northeast part of India. Low level of urbanization is found in the northern states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. Because as we know that northern part of India is covered by Himalayan mountainous ranges and forest areas are not suitable for human settlements or to set up big cities. So, in the northern part of India, there is found low level of urbanization. As well as in Rajasthan also there is found low level of urbanization because as we know that most of the part of Rajasthan is covered by Thar desert. So, there is found low level of urbanization. Whereas high level of urbanization is found in the southern states of India such as Goa, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala. Goa is the most urbanized state. It has 62% population which is living in urban areas. In Delhi, there is more than 80% population living in urban areas. However, Delhi is the most urbanized city in India. Do you know? The Indian subcontinent has a long history since ancient times. Since ages of the population of this country is living in river basins, on plateaus and mountains. Students, let's observe some images of urban settlements of earlier times. It is the image of Indraprasth, Delhi. Here is given the image of Varanasi, some pictures from Varanasi. Look at it. This is the image of Harappan civilization. Look at the image of Mohenjo-daro. Here is given the picture and some images of Ujjain. And last image is the image of Pratishthan, Python. These all images show that India has a great tradition of urbanization. Prepare a choropleth map showing urban population using the data given in the following table. Here is given a choropleth map showing urban population. As per the map, in India, urban population is seen to be comparatively more in the states located in the central and southern part of India. Urban population is seen to be comparatively low in the states located in the northern and northeast part of India. As per the map, the states of Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Haryana and Punjab located in the northern part of India, as well as the states of Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Tripura located in the northeast part has only 0 to 40% urban population. The Union territories of Chandigarh and NCT of Delhi located in the northern part of India has 81 to 100% of urban population. As per the map, the state of Gujarat located in the central part of India has 41 to 80% of urban population. The Union territories of Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli has 41 to 80% of urban population. The states of Maharashtra, Goa, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu located in the southern part of India It has 41 to 80% of urban population. The Union Territory of Lakshadweep Islands has 61 to 80% of urban population. The Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands has 21 to 40% of urban population. As per the map, in India, the percentage of urban population is continuously rising. In this way, we have seen urbanization in India. Thank you.